Welcome to my channel. Uh, this is Deepak from TechPex Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to present you energy efficient protocol, clustering protocol for by using the Type 2 fuzzy system. What is exactly the Type 2 fuzzy system? Fuzzy, that is the soft computing techniques utilized for taking the decision. For type 2 is the variant of the fuzzy which is having the advancements over the traditional fuzzy system. For more details of the fuzzy type 2, you can go to the internet and can get the information. So we are using external toolbox for this. As I am running this part, you can have a look that what is exactly the fuzzy type 2. In normal fuzzy, might be you people those who have worked on the previous fuzzy system, you can see these membership functions are having a one single line, but here the fuzzy type 2 is basically having the two sections, which is basically giving it efficiency with respect to the previous method, right? So for more details you can go to the Google or can contact us for the details that what exactly the type 2 fuzzy system and why it is effective with respect to the traditional one, right? So we have implemented it in our system where we have done for the clustering protocol, in which the network is being defined, nodes are being defined, sync is there, there is a mobility factor that is considered, and fuzzy is being used for taking the decision that whether which node should be the cluster head or not. And for that we have considered multiple factors. Mostly the traditional algorithms have implemented the energy and the distance only, but we are considering some other quality of service factors as mobility, the counts, the requests, and many other factors. Those are making it effective and proving itself as the decision is taken by the type 2 fuzzy system that the lifetime, the network stability, the energy consumption of the network is going to be reduced. Lifetime is to be enhanced, network stability will be more, but the energy consumption is reduced, which is the major requirement of such applications. So wireless sensor networks are very much useful even in the IoT systems. These technology, these sensor based communication models are being used. So we can't say that the clustering protocols are very old and we can't use it for the research purpose, but in recently in Internet of Things it is used, and using such algorithms for getting the more stable sensors, because we all know that sensors are operated on the battery and it is very hard to change the batteries on a short interval of time. So as it is on the remote locations, so there should be stability in the lifetime of these sensor batteries and can survive for the longer time. That's why such protocols are being designed, and on the clustering based data transmission is being performed. So it will take some time to execute. So I will show you only the what exactly we have done. We have calculated it with the alive nodes per round, which will show the output in terms of the lifetime that is achieved from such algorithms. And the classification is being for the decision making is being done by using the the type 2 fuzzy system, which is evaluated over here by calculating the chances, and then the energy model is being used for calculating the energy consumption in the system. So I hope you people like this video, and for more details you can contact us directly, and also on the given contact numbers in the description. The field is very much trending and you can do a number of modification in this by taking quality of service factors, different decision models. Even the swarm intelligence is very much popular in this. Even not only forming the cluster is the enough section in this, there are many sections as handling the data, the routing in section in this clustering protocol, selection of cluster head, the dependency factors on IoT servers, on the security, and many much options are available for this. So I hope you people like this video. For more details feel free to contact us. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.